If you have to use the Keurig, do you miss your Breville's flair? Beer studlet working sleepy, and the toffee's feeling rare. Then grab whatever pod you find, no need to make a fuss. Set it strong and small, robust, 4 ounces is a must. Let it brew its tiny heart out, a drip, a drop, a stream, while you whip a little heaven, a cloud of creamy dream. 4 tablespoons of heavy cream, 2 of milk to make it light. Add a touch of raw wild honey, just enough to taste just right. Whip it up till soft and smooth, then set your cup with ice. Now pour that tiny brew right in, you started something nice. Tap it with your golden cream, let it flow and then swirl around. A humble pod turned liquid gold, you found your coffee crown. So if you have to use the Keurig, don't groan and roll your eyes. With cream and care and just a swirl, you've brewed a sweet surprise.